Hello guys, heartily welcome to that coding bro. Now let's enter into today's topic. Our topic is how to get an IT job. I hope you are the person who are studying in BTech final year or BTech third year. How you need to plan your journey to get an IT job. Okay, what are the requirements you need to fulfill to get an IT job? This is the thing I will cover, and what is a roadmap or what is a path you need to follow to get an IT job. Okay, now let's begin this session. Before going to that, what are the rules or what are the areas that a IT company is covering for a person to hire? Those things are: first, they will cover aptitude skills, aptitude skills. After that, they will cover programming skills. After that, they will cover communication skills. These three things are very important when you are going for an IT job. Okay, now let's focus each thing in detail. First of all, why aptitude and what is the things covered. All the people know what is meant by an aptitude. Some of comprising of some of the questions related to logical, reasoning, verbal, quantitative aptitude, everything. These comes under aptitude, and maximum in aptitude there will be MCQs, multiple choice questions. There will be given four options. You need to select one. Like this, the questions will be in aptitude. And how to prepare for aptitude. To prepare for aptitude, and it is not a one day duty. It will take approximately 20 to 30 days to prepare for aptitude. 20 to 30 days. How to prepare aptitude? I will suggest you some websites. Go to those websites and learn in detail. Okay. First one is India Bix, Prep Bytes, Geeks for Geeks, and Freshers.com. See, you note on all the things. You search in Google indiabix.com. In IndiaBix, you will find all the categories. First, you will find all the categories of quantitative aptitude and arithmetic, reasoning, logical, like that. Go for first topic. They will explain you the topic, followed by some samples. They will explain you with the answer. Followed by that, they will give some questions to solve by yourself. Like this way, they design the thing. I will prefer uh, India Bigs and Geeks for Geeks. Both are very fine. I have seen those things and I had learned from them, so that I will prefer those. Now, after completing this aptitude, see, aptitude is very important. Prepare a notes for that, and if possible, refer. And there is one book. I am not getting the book name now. R.S. Agarwal. Yeah, the book name is R.S. Agarwal. Solve the questions from this book. But no need of this book if you're preparing for these websites, India Bigs and Geeks for Geeks, or the questions also, sample questions, everything present in those websites. So India Bigs and Geeks for Geeks is enough, more than enough, I can say. You can crack uh, many IT jobs with those two things. Okay. Now we have completed aptitude part. For aptitude, as I told, it takes approximately 20 to 30 days. So it's not spending 1 hour or 2 hour. You need to spend at least 4 to 5 hours. Then 20 days is enough. If you take 2 to 3 hours, again the days will increase. Okay. Now we have seen regarding aptitude. I have given websites. Please note on those websites and visit. They are 100% worth. I will guarantee you. Okay. This is first we completed aptitude. Now coming to programming, for other branch people means EC, Triple E, Mechanical, Civil, you complete basic programming. For CSC people, You must be strong in programming because it is your field and it is your job. For remaining people, they are new to this job, so for them basic programming is enough. For CSC people, somewhat strong basics is needed. For programming, first learn one programming languages. I will refer to learn C language at first, because if you learn C language, you can go anywhere, you can attend any interview, any job you can go. So that to learn C language, first you prefer W3 schools, followed by Geeks for Geeks, GFG. These both are enough, more than enough, 100%. These both are enough. You can learn a lot of things from these two things. Okay, learn complete one programming languages. By that, in Google, you type C programming, C programming top 100, top 100 IT job questions. You will get top 100 questions. Complete those top 100 questions after completing this GFG and W3 schools. First go to W3 schools slash C language. W3 schools C language, or you else type just W3 schools and go to W3 schools and select C language, complete C language. After that, once refer GFG, or you directly go to GFG, any one thing is fine. After that, in Google, see, in this one in both of these one, do one thing. After that, do second thing. C programming top 100 IT job questions. You complete those questions, you will grab one IT job. Okay, for these also approximately 20 to 30 days it will take. This is the thing for how to cover. And communication skills, you see, for communication skills, first you need to know very well English. Very well English means not of great grammar and everything. If you understand my language, then you are good at communication. If you speak with same intention, then you are okay. How to practice communication? Simply talk with a person, with your friends or customer care people in English, then you can build good skills in communication. No need of great grammar and great words using like magnum opus, blue moon day, like that. No need. Just talk simple English. What is communication? You need to understand what other people is telling, and the other people should understand what you are telling. If you can do this, then you are good in communication. Communication purpose, there is no any requirement for reading or reading like that. Just if you have any doubt, talk with your friend or customer care people, then it is okay. Customer care people means like when you have got a calls from insurance agents or Amazons or banks, talk with them. If bank people can understand what you are telling, then you are good at communication. Now, if you have any doubt how to communicate in jobs like that, I will make a video next how to communicate in interview HR rounds. Okay, first of all, focus in aptitude and programming, because if you go for any job, if you go for any job, first round, maximum first round will be aptitude. 50% people are removed based on this round. Next round will be programming. Approximately 30% people are sent back after in this round. Means out of 100%, 80% people are gone after out of these two rounds. Only 20% people will come to communication round. Okay, if you are good at communication and if you are bad at aptitude and programming, there is no sense. You are not coming inside to third round, then what's the need of communication round? So first practice aptitude, followed by programming, so that followed by communication. For programming, I am teaching some sample programs in C language. You can refer those C languages. I am maximum, probably I am selecting those top 100 questions only. You can see my lectures. For aptitude, please refer those websites. And if you are not fulfilled or not felt happy with those websites, you want to practice more, then prefer RS Agarwal. Those are more than enough. These are the things which are required for a person who need to get an IT job. Okay, I think I cleared most of your doubts. And if sir, I want to be special among 100 people, or I want to the best to grab the job 100%, then I will give two bonus tips. These are 100% needed. Two bonus. How to be 100%? See, first you complete all the things. If you want to be special among those 100, learn OOPS, object oriented programming. Okay, object oriented programming means not in detail. Know what is, there will be approximately some concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, like that, up to 7 to 8 concepts. No, get well known about those concepts. What is meant by inheritance, polymorphism, what is the need. Learn about object oriented programming. Next, be little bit good at data structures. Be little bit good at data structures. If you know any of these two things or both the things, then you are the special among those all the people. Okay, these are the two bonus tips. First complete those things, after that come to this two things. Okay, I hope I cleared all of your doubts. These are the things which a person required to grab an IIT job. Many people think why we need to learn aptitude like that. Aptitude is very important in your life also, because it will teach you the skills like decision making. It is a very vast concept, very good concept. Aptitude, everyone need to learn aptitude, and I will make a specific video on importance of aptitude. Aptitude is very important. Okay, complete these things. First learn aptitude, because as I told, see here, every company, not every company, approximately 95% companies, first they are clearing the people based on their aptitude skills, followed by their programming skills, followed by communication skills. And in programming, many people will suffer that I know only C, I know only Java, I know only Python. No issues. Nowadays all companies are offering multi-language, because the upgrading, right, the IT, the technologies are upgrading. Nowadays people are providing all the languages. You can select whichever the language you know, you can compile in that language. So no issues of any programming language. Master means be perfect in one programming language. Okay, if you are perfect in one programming language, then it is very good. If that language is C, then it is very happy. If you are coming from C background, C language programming background, then you can master any other programming language, and you can go for any programming context or any programming, because I told the C is very important, because in some IT jobs they are not giving programming questions directly, they are giving MCQs. MCQs means they will give four options, one, two, three, four. You need to select one among that. How to select? If you know C, it will be most easiest. Okay, so that I told C languages. These are the things which I wanted to cover. I hope I covered all the things. If you have any doubts, or if you want any queries, or if you want a specific video, comment in the below of this video. I will make a specific video on that, and in upcoming days I will make a video on importance of aptitude, because aptitude is very important. When you, for example, in Swiggy you want to order something, you will get offers like 30% off up to 120, like that, where you will master those coupons like that based on aptitude skills. Okay, this is the thing. Thank you very much for watching.